coming so close now, nothing to see but a dozen dying roses at her feet. Your timing is perfect, ironic to me, showing up the moment that you shouldn't be. Last time I checked, you're the one that left. Last words you said